How to check which iPhone you have. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. From here, you can manage your overall setup and preferences for iPhone, such as software updates, device language, AirDrop, and more. Then, tap on About. This section provides details about your device, including the iOS version, model name, model number, serial number, and more. You can also view the total number of songs, videos, photos, applications on your phone as well as the total and available capacity. Check the name and the model number to find which iPhone you are currently using. Following these steps, you can easily check which iPhone you have. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.